Whole house water filtration systems provide treatment of H2O directly at a home's main water line. These point-of-entry water filters provide fresh, contaminant-free water to appliances and fixtures in your home. We've researched and reviewed 8 top-rated whole house water filters, as well as one to avoid. What are the best whole house water filters on the market? Number 1. Springwell Whole House Water Filter System. Number 2. Aquasana EQ1000. Number 3. iSpring WG B32B. Number 4. Pelican Whole House Filter and Water Softener. Number 5. Apex Whole House Water Filter. Number 6. 3M Aqua-Pure. Number 7. HomeMaster Whole House. Number 8. Express Water Whole House Water Filter. And now for the Freshnss.com reviews of the 8 best whole house water filters plus one to avoid. Springwell Whole House Water Filter System. Commonly, many cities' municipal water systems contain harmful contaminants. Springwell CF1 Whole House Water Filter System easily removes what you don't want in your water with the best whole house water filter for city water. Count on a Springwell to remove up to 99.6% of all contaminants. What's the secret? Springwell's unique catalytic coconut shell carbon provides superior water filtering. Plus, certified KDF media, high-purity copper zinc granules, target the most harmful contaminants like chlorine, chloramine pesticides, herbicides, and more. Easy installation and low maintenance guarantee fresh, pure water flowing to every room in the house, apartment, or office in minutes. Springwell offers 3 select models to choose from. The largest can handle up to 7 bathrooms. Boasting an impressive 20 gallons per minute, Springwell crushes the competitor's flow rate by 13 gallons per minute. This review is for the Springwell CF1 model, which measures 9 inches wide and stands 48 inches high, 52 inches with head, and guarantees 1 million gallons over 10 years of fresh filtered water before the recommended media filtering system needs to be changed. Warranty. Manufacturer's lifetime warranty against defects on all covered items. Pros. 4-stage proprietary vertical upflow media filtering system, flex bed, KDF bed, coconut shell carbon, 5 sediment filtration, impressive 20 gallons per minute, even in the largest homes, designed specifically to combat contaminants in city municipal water systems. Cons. Have knowledge of plumbing system installation or hire a plumber. Considerable space limitations regarding installation, tank height. High cost investment. Aquasana EQ1000. Aquasana knows a thing or two about clean, great-tasting water. The Aquasana EQ1000 is rated as the best whole house water filter for bacteria removal. And that means the Aquasana can remove 97% of chlorine and other harmful contaminants like lead, mercury, herbicides, pesticides, VOCs, and more. Aquasana equates to high performance with carbon and KDF filtration media designed to eliminate as much contaminant as possible while retaining the healthy minerals in your water. If you're shopping for a cost-efficient, long-lasting whole house water filter that will cost you less than a penny a gallon, equal to 1 million gallons over 10 years, then the Aquasana is the perfect water filter for your home. The EQ1000 weighs 50.9 pounds and measures 9 by 46 by 44 inches. Warranty. 10-year limited warranty. Pros. No draining or backflushing required. Includes premier installation kit and components. Easy to replace pre- and post filters every 3 months. Cons. Expensive filtration system with unimpressive results. Costly, unexpected, and excessive filter changes. Reported difficulties with customer service returning calls. iSpring WG B32B. Your family and household appliances will fare a lot better with an iSpring WG B32B whole house water filter. First in class for lead removal, the iSpring leaves the smelly, bad-tasting water away from your faucets and out of the pipes. Expect 99% chlorine removal and 95% of everything else, including sediment, rust, pesticides, herbicides, and industrial solvents. Don't worry, VOCs and various other contaminants filter out too. Install the iSpring WG B32B at the source of your main water supply to treat all the water in your home. It's quality first when you purchase the iSpring. Manufactured with high-capacity polypropylene sediment filters, this water filtering system can achieve filtration down to 5 microns. The second and third stage filtration is third-party tested and includes a CTO carbon block filter made of high-quality coconut shell carbon. The iSpring measures 24.25 by 7 by 75 by 27 by 75 inches and includes 1 whole house system, 3 filters, a handy DIY housing wrench, and an easy-to-read user manual. It's lightweight and 45 pounds and can be mounted under the counter with relative ease. Warranty: extended manufacturer warranty and lifetime tech support from U.S. local support team. Pros: DIY installation and maintenance, 15 gallons per minute, maximum filtration efficiency and filter life. Cons: connectors are not U.S. standard. Seals leak after several weeks of use. System arrived with missing parts and filters. Pelican Whole House Filter and Water Softener. The Pelican Whole House Filter and Water Softener alternative is the only combo water filtration system on the market that is certified to be 99.6% effective at softening your water and removing hard water scaling and preventing future hard water deposits. Pelican Whole House Filter and Water Softener combos are always salt-free and guaranteed to filter 1.03 million gallons of water. This unit reportedly filters out 97% chlorine, chloramine, and other chemicals from your home's water system at the source. You can expect the Pelican Whole House Filter and Water Softener combo to provide no less than 9 to 16 gallons per minute. There is no wastewater, no drainage required, and no electricity to run up your Pelican water filter system. That means no extra monthly out-of-pocket costs to bring fresh, pure, healthy water running throughout your home. The Pelican features a stylish polished solid stainless steel design and measures 49.5 inches in height, 27 inches wide, and 18 inches long, and weighs a mere 50 pounds. Warranty: 90-day satisfaction guarantee, 5-year performance guarantee, and a limited lifetime warranty on tank and parts. Pros: better than bottled water for every tap in your home. Easy indoor-outdoor installation. Built-in NFC technology lets you operate and analyze the Pelican's performance using a smartphone app. Cons: Pelican's salt-free filtration system falls short of removing contaminants. Technical support ignores calls for leaks and cracked housing. Average life expectancy of this Pelican system is 6 months. Apex Whole House Water Filter. Known as the heavy-duty Big Blue, Apex Whole House Water Filter is unique to high-flow applications. The white cartridges can filter enough water for a large house and apartments as they would for a busy office, restaurant, or medical environment. The Apex filters have a simple 20-inch by 4.5-inch footprint, which yields highly effective solutions. If you're looking to supply your entire home with fresh, clean water and the best whole house water filter to remove fluoride and chlorine, there isn't much further to look at than the Apex. Certified in-house construction and high-quality coconut shell activated carbon are two of Apex's standout features. Get ready for Apex Whole House Water Filter to remove the stinky smells and flavors, including but not limited to fluoride, arsenic, chlorine, lead, mercury, and iron, to name a few. Water passes through 3 stages of filtration to remove sediment, chlorine, iron, heavy metal contaminants, and sources of unpleasant odors and discoloration. The Big Blue Apex measures 30 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 12 inches high, is wall-mountable or ready to use, under the counter, and weighs only 59 pounds. Warranty: no published manufacturer warranty. Guarantee of part replacement with proof of receipt of purchase. Pros: includes 3 proprietary, foolproof color-coded filter chambers. GAC filtration provides a simple, yet highly effective filtration solutions. Recommended for residential and commercial use. Cons: reduces water flow and pressure. Company fails to keep replacement parts promises. Media can harden inside filter chambers without a constant water flow. 3M Aqua-Pure. Cheap is not the word that comes to mind when you think of the 3M company. Purchasing the 3M Aqua-Pure Whole House Water Filter will provide an affordable solution to the dilemma of water filtration. This unit brings pure, great-tasting water to every faucet in your home and protects your home's pipes from sediment buildup. You'll also discover a price tag attached to this fantastic whole house water filter that can be considered relatively cheap. 3M's innovative sanitary quick change design is an industry first. This application lets you quickly change out the filter cartridge without touching or compromising the filter media. And you don't need a wrench to change 3M filters either. Rigorously tested and verified in the 3M manufacturing laboratory, the filters are designed to be replaced annually after 100,000 gallons of use. The 3M Aqua-Pure measures 20.06 inches long, 4.06 inches wide by 4.06 inches high, weighs a fraction of its competitors at a mere 6 pounds, and can filter approximately 20 gallons per minute, even with a high flow rate. Warranty: Limited 1 year from the date of purchase. Filter reminder sign-up option at registration. Pros: extends the life of water-using appliances. Carbon block technology reduces up to 85% chlorine taste. Easier, cleaner cartridge changeout, and no need for a filter wrench. Cons: noticeable drop in water pressure after about 1 month of use. Filter changes needed around every 1 to 2 months. Only compatible with city municipal water systems. Home Master Whole House. If your home relies on well water, there is a good chance that undesirable amounts of iron, manganese, and sulfur are present in your water, or through the plumbing. Home Master recommends always having your well water analyzed before buying a whole house water filter for well water. The Home Master arrives fully assembled, takes the installation guesswork out of the equation, and gets the fresh water flowing. The unique extra-large 3-stage whole house filters treat sediment, turbidity, how clear the water is, iron, manganese, that awful sulfur smell, pesticides, herbicides, and plenty of other chemicals. The Home Master water filter for well water is the best in its class for a straightforward reason. This unit delivers clean, clear water to every faucet and bath in your home without drawing down water pressure. Maintaining high water pressure is a key concern of home dwellers living on well water. Water pressure never falls short because the large housings accommodate the larger filters. If you want less frequent service, you may want to save your time and money, and the inconvenience of wondering when to change the filters, and count on the reliable Home Master water filter for well water. Filtering your home's well water is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Filter 1 is a multi-gradient media filter. Filter 2 is a unique radial flow filter designed to reduce high levels of iron, magnesium. Filter 3, the coconut shell carbon filter, purifies. That all adds up to 100,000 gallons of fresh, pure filtered well water annually. Warranty: limited 2-year warranty with recreation and from the date of purchase. Pros: compatible with well and city municipal water systems. Large 1-inch water ports can handle massive water flow at 15 gallons per minute. Oversized filters improve flow rate capacity and reduce maintenance costs. Cons: difficult DIY installation, requires full panel well water analysis, costly filter replacement. Express Water Whole House Water Filter. The Express Whole House Water Filter objective is twofold: reduce harmful impurities and filter 0.25 gallons of pure, fresh, clean water per second into each water connection in your home. The Express system reduces or removes over 52 different impurities from your home's water using a 3-stage filtration system. Less chlorine, rust, for example, means living a healthier lifestyle with the freshest pure water. Express water systems are out of the box ready to install with standard 1-inch connections. Super easily replaceable filter cartridges are guaranteed to keep your system up and running efficiently, and that saves you money. Every Express Water Whole House water filter system is constructed using a solid stainless steel frame for lasting durability. Color-coded filter chambers include carbon block, granular activated carbon, and sediment filtration filters with a reliable pressure gauge on each chamber. Need assistance? The company's on-demand support department is at the ready with experts to answer all your questions and troubleshoot any installation or filtration questions. The Express Water measures 23.5 inches long by 8.5 inches wide by 30 inches wide and weighs 62 pounds. Warranty: 1-year warranty. Pros: made with high-quality 100% food-grade materials. High-flow design can supply up to 0.25 gallons per second. Solid steel mounting frame, plus 3 individual pressure gauges. Cons: noticeable leakage after a few months in service. Cut the home's water pressure in half. Requires a bypass to avoid potential manufacturer defect. Looking to learn more about the top-rated whole house water filters, including price and additional reviews? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. And now for the whole house water filter to avoid. Filtersmart Whole House Water Filter. While Filtersmart boasts healthier options, softer skin and hair, fresh drinkable spring-like water, and absolutely no waste, upon closer inspection, this whole house filter is more of a low-quality copycat. Why? For starters, Filtersmart's natural NSF certified dual filtration system only filters your home's water using Jacoby brand acid washed, high purity, high activity granular activated carbon manufactured by steam activation to clean and purify. Impressive, yes. Enough filtering power? Hardly. To effectively remove high levels of sediment and dangerous impurities, Whole house water filtration systems should use a minimum of 3 to a maximum of 5 levels of different filtration media. Sadly, Filtersmart uses 1. Filtersmart's singular filtration system guarantees removal of chlorine, volatile organic compounds, synthetic organic compounds, pesticides, herbicides, and industrial solvents, while keeping the essential healthy natural minerals in the water. One easy, convenient filtration media is excellent for quick filter changes and essential maintenance. However, for overall performance and efficacy, Filtersmart doesn't quite hit the mark. Warranty: lifetime warranty on tank and valves. Pros: no water waste or extra energy costs. 5-year or 1 million gallon guarantee. Easy installation, designed to work with basic plumbing fixtures. Cons: non-returnable. Increased lime deposits equals increased cleaning time. Thin-skin stainless steel tank construction causes leaks and corrosion. And now for the Freshnss.com's final thoughts on buying a whole house water filter. One of the essential natural resources constantly flowing around our precious planet is water. We count on that water for many things, and it is expected to be free of toxins and bacteria. A healthy lifestyle demands access to clean, pure water. According to the United States Geological Survey, currently 89% of American households operate using hard water with an excessive presence of calcium and magnesium. If your H2O is of the hard water variety, a whole house water filter system aims to end the nuisance of mineral buildup of your dishes, glassware, clothing, and plumbing fixtures, especially if you're noticing increased poor soap and detergent performance. And if you're worried about what is lurking in the well of the city municipal water supply, a whole house filtration system can contribute to healthier water flowing through your home. For these reasons, installing an affordable whole house water filtration system makes perfect sense. Internet search trends regarding total dissolved solids, meaning anything present in water other than pure H2O molecules, increased by 500% in recent years. This trend was most noticeable in the Southwest, with homeowners in Arizona, Nevada, California, New Mexico, and Colorado discovering how to determine the particular TDS in local water systems and which whole house water filtration system works to combat them from entering the home's water supply. Whether your home relies on well water or a city municipal water supply, it is imperative to have the water analyzed before purchasing a whole house water filtration system. DIY kits may look easy to install, but not every home's plumbing or water inlet source is the same. To avoid purchasing a water filtration system that is too small, potentially lowers the water pressure, and triggers unexpected installation costs, get an estimate regarding installation. Taking these steps into consideration will save you time and money and help you determine which whole house water filtration system is the best to get the healthiest, purest water flowing into your home. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and be sure to post comments or questions about whole house water filters. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.